Every second counts in the fast-paced material handling world. Every day, warehouse workers waste valuable time wrapping loads and then moving them to a separate scale for weighing. Introducing Robopac USA's Wrap and Weigh Pro, a revolutionary solution for semi-automatic turntable stretch wrappers. This state-of-the-art scale kit allows you to wrap and weigh in one seamless step, eliminating the need for double handling loads. The Wrap and Weigh Pro isn't just a time saver, it's a money saver. The traditional method of moving the load to a separate scale can accumulate thousands of dollars in wasted labor over several years. With our solution, you can also bid farewell to overpaying for less than truckload reweigh fees. The Wrap and Weigh Pro is designed to seamlessly integrate with all of our semi-automatic turntable stretch wrappers, including the Ecoplat, Masterplat, Rotoplat, and Technoplat. This design makes it easier to access and use the scale, minimizing potential maintenance issues associated with integrating it into the machine. Users can easily access and troubleshoot each component without disrupting the entire system. Products can be loaded from all sides, and you can tailor your system with accessories like loading and unloading ramps and grounding frames that will embed the base of the scale into the ground. The Wrap and Weigh Pro isn't just about efficiency, but smart data utilization. 6 load cells effortlessly collect data from the turntable when the load is placed, ensuring precise and reliable measurements, which can effortlessly be recorded by connecting your computer to the device. In the dynamic landscape of secondary packaging, efficiency is the key to success. Elevate your operation with Robopac USA's Wrap and Weigh Pro. Contact us today to revolutionize your packaging process.